Hello my dear students, welcome back. This video is for the students of class 1st, subject Maths, chapter 4, subtraction 1 to 20, and it's our lecture number 7. In this video, our subtopic is subtracting numbers vertically. SUBTRACTING, subtracting. NUMBERS, numbers. VERTICALLY, vertically. Subtracting numbers vertically. As I have told you in addition chapter that how to arrange numbers vertically and then how to solve those sums. So similarly, we are going to do in this chapter, in this video, that how to subtract numbers vertically. So your topic is subtracting numbers vertically. So let's start doing. Students, in this video we will do vertically subtraction of one digit number. Only one digit number subtraction we are going to do today. In the next video we will take two digit number. Okay, so today we will do only single digit number subtraction. Okay students, now let's do book exercise that is named as activity. So what is our question? Let's read with me. SUBTRACT, subtract. THE, FOLLOWING, following. NUMBER, number. VERTICALLY, vertically. Subtract the following number vertically. So students, now in this exercise what do we have to do? That we have to subtract the following number vertically. As you all know, what is the form? Which form is known as vertical form? Yes, standing form, column form. We have two type of lines. I have told you earlier that one can be slipping line and second is standing line. When the sums are in standing line, means one digit, then down to next digit and then answer. So it is the vertical form. Okay, जब हम सम बना के राइट करते हैं एक डिजिट उसके नीचे दूसरी डिजिट, that is known as vertical form. Okay, so we can use two forms, vertical form and horizontal form. In this one we have to do vertical form. So here we have some present in front of us in the form of horizontal. Horizontally आपको मिला हुआ है. First of all, you need to place them in column, in vertical form. सबसे पहले हम उसे vertical form में arrange करेंगे. Then we will find the answer. In this one, answer is provided to you, but we will not use the answer. We will do ourselves. Okay, as because ma'am have told you how to solve the, ma'am has told you that how to solve the answer, how to solve the question and how to find the answer. Okay, so I hope you will be able to do. That's why we will solve ourselves and I will help you. You will watch me how I will solve and learn. Okay students, so let's start doing. Here is the sum. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. here is the answer that is called difference. ओके, इन सब्ट्रैक्शन जो आपका आंसर होता है वो हम डिफरेंस के नाम से उसको जानते हैं, उसे हम डिफरेंस कहते हैं. ओके, सो हियर इज द आंसर प्रोवाइडेड टू यू, बट वी विल डू आवरसेल्फ. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 first of all, and we will not pay too much attention on these arrows. Don't look these arrows. Let's do with me in a very simple way. Okay, let's look how I'm doing here and then follow me. First of all, as you all know that it is single digit sum. Single digit here is single digit, and here is also single digit. So when do we have single digit, we need to place only one place, that is known as ones. We need not to write tens place. Okay students, जब हमारे पास वन डिजिट नंबर होता है, मीन्स सिंगल डिजिट नंबर होता है, तो हम एक ही प्लेस यूज करते हैं, दैट इज वंस, एंड स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम वेरी राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, तो अभी हमारे पास सिंगल डिजिट सम है, इसलिए हम सिर्फ वंस प्लेस ही राइट करेंगे, हमें टेंस प्लेस की ज़रूरत नहीं है. टेंस प्लेस इज रिक्वायर्ड इन टू डिजिट नंबर सच एज 11, 13, 16, 20. Okay, so it is single digit sum, it is single digit, so that's why we will only write ones. So write here O, that is denoting ones. O is denoting here ones. After that जो नंबर यहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्लेस पर होगा हम उसको सबसे पहले राइट करेंगे, देन सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन, देन सेकेंड नंबर, and then we will find answer ourselves. We will not shift it here, we will do ourselves. So सबसे पहले कौन सा नंबर है 4. So in the very first box, after writing place, in the next box for digit, जो डिजिट के लिए सबसे पहला बॉक्स होगा, हम उसमें फर्स्ट वाले नंबर को प्लेस करेंगे. So here the first number is 4. We have to use our complete box. We have to make beautiful digit and touching to the line. So I wrote here 4, sign is given to you, then next number, that is 1. Look here, my digits are touching to the line. Your one also touched to the line. Now we have placed it in vertical form. As you can see that सबसे पहले हमने 1 नंबर लिखा है, अब उसके नीचे हमने लिखा है. अब जब हम ऊपर और नीचे राइट करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज वर्टिकल फॉर्म. ओके, जब हम सम को प्लेस करते हैं कॉलम्स में, सम बना देते हैं उसका, तो वो उसको हम वर्टिकल फॉर्म के नाम से जानते हैं. ओके, सो वी हैव प्लेस्ड इट इन वर्टिकल फॉर्म. Now let's solve it. Here lines are also mentioned. When we find the answer, we have to square, or we have to square our answer, and we can say line up your answer. Okay, so keep 4 in your mind, open one finger, 1, and go back counting. 4 ke back 3. So that's why answer is 3. Using complete box touching to the line. Here is also 3, here is also 3. That's why our answer is right. Next, 6 minus 5. It is already arranged in vertical form. We need not to arrange this one in vertical form. ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये पहले से ही वर्टिकल फॉर्म में, एज यू कैन सी, एक के नीचे दूसरी डिजिट है, तो ये पहले से ही वर्टिकल फॉर्म में अरेंज्ड है, आपको इसको अरेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो की वी हैव टू फाइंड आंसर ओनली, इट्स ऑलरेडी अरेंज्ड. कीप नंबर 6 इन माइंड बाय टैपिंग योर हेड. टैप करके रखते ना, Then we have to keep number 6 in our mind. Open 5 fingers. Here is the sign of subtraction. So we have to subtract here and go backward counting. Okay. So 6 को mind में रखेंगे सबसे पहले हम. Yes. And 5 fingers open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have opened my 5 fingers. You also have to open your 5 fingers and count with me. You have to count back counting with me. जैसे मैम काउंट करेंगी आपको भी वैसे ही मैम के साथ काउंट करना है. So keep number 6 in mind. 5 fingers open. Now go back counting. 6 के back 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All fingers down. जब आपकी सारी फिंगर्स डाउन हो गई है तो आपके पास लास्ट नंबर कौन सा आया? दैट इज 1. सो आवर आंसर इज 1. Yes. Okay. Listen here and look it carefully that when you do sums in vertical arrangement, so आपके जो आंसर होते हैं, जो आपका आंसर होगा वो बिल्कुल डिजिट्स के नीचे होना चाहिए. If you will write here, it will not look good. If you will write here, it will also not look good. So if you want that your answer look good, तो आपको उसको बिल्कुल नीचे डिजिट्स के बिल्कुल नीचे आपको उसको राइट करना होता है. ओके. सो हेयर 6 के बिलो 5, 5 के बिलो 1. यू कैन सी बिल्कुल मैंने नीचे राइट किया है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. सो सिमिलरली यू हैव टू राइट. Yes, come to the next one. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Answer is given to you, but we will not copy from here. We will solve ourselves. So, first of all, it's needed to arrange in vertical form. So, that's why we will write here O. O is denoting ones here. O is denoting ones here. O means ones. Now arrange these numbers in vertical form. So as I have told that first of all जो सबसे पहला नंबर होगा वो पहले नंबर पर, सेकेंड वाला उसके नीचे, देन आंसर. 5 को हम सबसे पहले यहाँ राइट करेंगे. सो राइट 5 here. Yes, using full space. Complete space you have to use. You can't make very small like this. It will not look good. Okay, so you have to use the complete space. It will look good. 5. Now sign of subtraction. It is already given to you. It is already mentioned here. Now 3. We have to write 3. अब हम 5 के नीचे 3 को राइट करेंगे बिल्कुल इसके अंडर. 3. Done. Now we have arranged this sum in vertical form. So sum is 5 minus 3. Now answer we have to find out. So what will we do? Yes, subtraction we will do here and start 5 in our mind. 3 fingers open. So let's start doing. Keep number 5 in your mind by tapping your head and 3 fingers open. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are open. Now let's go back counting. 5 के back. Tell me. 4, 3, 2. All fingers down. That is why answer is 2. Answer is 2. Here is 2. Here is also 2. We did here ourselves. यहाँ पे हमने खुद किया है. And answer is also same. It means you are very intelligent. Very good. So answer is 2. Done. Now move to this one. अब हम ये वाला करेंगे. It is arranged in vertical form. It is already arranged, so we need not to arrange it. Okay. Now here we only have to solve this sum. यहाँ पर हमें इस सम को सिर्फ सोल्व करना है, अरेंज नहीं करना है. ओके, ये तो ऑलरेडी अरेंज्ड है, तो आपको सिर्फ इसको सोल्व करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग. कीप नंबर 7 इन योर माइंड. ओपन 7 फिंगर्स. 7 को माइंड में रखेंगे और 7 ही फिंगर्स ओपन करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 फिंगर्स ओपन और माइंड में कौन सा नंबर है? 7. अब जो नंबर हमारे माइंड में होगा हम उसी के बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करेंगे. ओके, सो 7 इज इन आवर माइंड. 7 के बैक 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. वेरी गुड. जब आपने फिंगर सारी आपकी क्लोज्ड हो गई तो कौन सा नंबर था जो लास्ट में आया? यस, दैट इज 0. सो 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Done. Next one. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Answer we will find ourselves. Just place it in vertical form. Okay. So let's start. First number को first place पे. But before doing that, listen here and look. It is single digit, 1 digit and also 1 digit. So that's why we will write here O. And O is denoting here. O means ones. O means ones. So first number को first box में, second को second में, and then find answer. So here we will write number 6. And look student, how clearly and beautifully I am writing. It's my request that please write like me and try to write. You will definitely make like me. Okay. You will, if you will do practice, you will be write like me. So subtraction sign is already given 3. Now the sum that is framed is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. Now let's find the answer. Keep number 6 in your mind. Open 3 fingers. Here we have 3 fingers. Now, and you have to open your fingers. Now let's go back counting. 6 के back 5 4 3 5 4 3. All fingers down. The answer is 3. That's why answer is 3. Similar? Both are same. So answer is right. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. But we will not copy from here. We will do ourselves. So first of all, it's needed to arrange in vertical form. Right here O. O means ones. Very good. You are very intelligent. O means ones. Now first number here, second number here, and then find difference. So we will write 9 here minus 2. Done. Keep 9 in your mind. Open 2 fingers and go back counting. Which number is in our mind, students? Yes, 9 is in our माइंड. हमारे माइंड में 9 है और हमारे 2 फिंगर्स ओपन है. नाउ वी विल गो बैक काउंटिंग टू 9. अब हम 9 की बैक काउंटिंग करेंगे. ओके, 9 के बैक 8, 8 के बैक 7. 2 फिंगर्स ओपन की थी हमने 2 फिंगर्स डाउन एंड द आंसर इज 7. Answer is 7. How beautifully I am writing? Yes. So similarly you have to write 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So students, here we have sum up our book exercise. Hope you all have got it. Now it's time to take homework, and your homework is 2 given sums in fair notebook. Here is your homework. That chapter 4, subtract. You have to subtract these sums. 6 minus 3, 9 minus 6, C. 7 minus 3, 5 minus 4, and the last one is 7 minus 7. So students, these 5 sums you have to do in your fair notebook, and next day you have to submit its solution on WhatsApp group, as well as you can email me. Okay, but it's mandatory to send for everyone, otherwise you will be marked as absent. Okay students, now let's discuss the homework solution of previous lecture, lecture number 6. In that lecture your homework was subtract. So you had to done subtraction there. I hope you all have done. So let's have a look how to solve sums. So let's start. 13 minus 6. Keep number 13 in your mind and open 6 fingers. Okay. So 13 को mind में रखेंगे. 6 fingers open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13 के back 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. All fingers down. So the answer is 7. Using the complete space, complete given space, and beautifully touching to the line. बेटा लाइन को टच करके बनाना है, ब्यूटीफुल और बड़े डिजिट्स बनानी है. ओके. 10 minus 7. Keep 10 in your mind. Open 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 माइंड में 7 फिंगर ओपन. 10 के बैक 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. All fingers down. The answer is 3. Beautifully you have to make. Next, 14 minus 6. Keep 14 in your mind. 6 finger open. 14 के back 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. All finger down. Answer is 8. 9 minus 3. 9 को माइंड में रखेंगे. 3 फिंगर्स ओपन. नाउ बैक काउंटिंग. 9 के बैक 8, 7, 6. 8 minus 7. 8 को माइंड में रखेंगे by tapping the head. 7 fingers open. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 माइंड में. 8 के बैक काउंटिंग. 8 के बैक 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All fingers down. Answer is 1. So students, here we have discussed the previous lectures homework. I hope you all have done. So ultimately, before going, I want to request you that please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for the latest video, and share these videos with your relatives and your friends. Till the next video, bye bye, take care.